Ever find yourself watching cooking videos such as this one or the rest of my videos late at night, only to find yourself getting hungry a few moments later? Well, not to worry, in this video, as well as hopefully in upcoming videos, I will be covering a few quick and easy dishes which would be perfect as late night snacks. So, in today's video, we make a grilled cheese sandwich. Begin by getting some bread. In true late night snack fashion, I opted for the first loaf of bread that I could find. Next, get some butter. Here, I went with the easy spread variety, so I wouldn't need to wait for the real butter to soften, but feel free to use the real deal if you like. What you want to do is to get a thin, even layer of butter all over the slices of bread. Spread it as close to the edges as you can. Once that's done, retrieve your cheese from the fridge. Here, I went with a mixture of Swiss cheese, Gruyere and Edam, as I find that it gives the sandwich good flavor as well as good stretch. Now that we have our ingredients ready, we can get grilling. Place a pan over medium heat and place your slices of bread. Grill it for about a minute or two or until nice and golden. Once that's done, flip it and place one slice of each cheese on one of the slices of bread. Let your bread cook for about the same amount of time as the previous side. However, you want to place the cheeseless side on top of the other slice about 30 seconds earlier. Flip the whole sandwich and let it cook for the last 30 seconds or so. Using a spatula, do your best to compact the sandwich and keep it flat. Don't worry if your sandwich turns out a little too brown, as you can always scrape off the darker bits with a knife later. Once your sandwich is cooked, remove it from the pan and prepare your poor hungry soul for the most delicious late night sandwich you've ever had this week. Cut into it or bite right in. Regardless, you're gonna wish you made two of them. And there you have it, how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Now this isn't exactly the healthiest of dishes, but let's be real, if you're making a grilled cheese sandwich, then chances are you're not overly concerned about eating healthy. Also, feel free to experiment with different kinds of cheeses, different amount of cheeses, or just adding other toppings altogether. But that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, you know what to do. Hit that like button, share the video, and remember to subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments what other dishes you'd like to learn, what other recipes you'd like to see, or what other products you'd like me to review. But for now, I will say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.